Hello everyone. Today I bought a tomato plant, and actually this is not really tall. This is probably 4-5 inch tall only, and it costs like almost $6. And you guys let me know if this is too expensive or not. I believe yes. And I found one pot with 3 stems on it, which I'm gonna divide because usually one plant, this is cherry, super sweet 100. This is hybrid. You won't get a lot of cherries from just one single, so you need several of them. And what interesting, it says disease resistant, and 2 letters, V and F. F is probably fusarium. It's good that it has disease resistant for that one. V, I have no idea what is that. If you know, please leave a comment below. So we should fruits. Maturity 65 days after planting. I'm not sure, maybe flowers will happen within 65 days, because I don't know. I do not expect from this plant any tomatoes. 65 days is like 2 months something. And this is indeterminate, which means it will grow and you need to restrict it eventually. Okay, let's start and divide it. Unfortunately, I have to do this because all my seeds are so old, they do not germinate. That's the reason I have to go and buy some plants. Let's see. Oh my god. Okay, it didn't work very well. No roots. So we'll just plant it. It shouldn't be any problem with tomatoes. They're getting root pretty fast. Only thing, I'm gonna remove these leaves and I will plant it deep, because usually what you find, your tomatoes is not very close to bottom and eventually your plant needs support. I will do my best. I will cover it with plastic for sure. Let's see. I don't know, maybe another one will have the same issue actually, because I don't know if there is any roots there. Okay, this looks better. There are roots. I need to pull. So both plants will have roots. Let me finish and I will come back. So while doing them, I forgot which one doesn't have roots. This one, that one. So I will put package on both of them. Okay, go. So it doesn't fly away, even on my patio. Sometimes it's windy. So, and I'm gonna put them on a shadow. They don't need any direct sunlight right now. They need to work on rooting there. Hopefully we'll taste these cherry tomatoes in 3 months. Thanks for watching. Bye. Let's see what happened with my 3 plants. At least I found 2 of them actually. This one, let's see, this branch died. I tried them, was not impressed. Even that variety was saying super sweet. No way, I didn't like it, and actually didn't. This one wasn't really successful. I don't know, maybe it's my fault. Whatever. It is in 1 gallon pot. Here is another one, and you see it has some fruits. Several branches actually ripening. And I don't think so. I tried them. My kiddo eats them. She doesn't complain about taste. And it sits around 2 gallon pot, I believe. And I restricted grow on this one. So tipping point. If you see here, nothing grow here. And the leaves are very bad. Yeah, here something tried to grow. So I'm gonna get rid of this plant Once I harvest all this tomato, I don't want to grow it anymore. I decided I will probably focus on growing only black cherry tomatoes because that's unique. This kind of stuff like red cherry you can buy in store. There is no reason to grow them. I don't see for myself. So I'm gonna focus only on my black cherry tomatoes. Even this one was pretty good because like see how many it has. But this is kind of small. Size is small. Very small. Of course it's because it's restricted to this pot. Here is my black cherry tomato. What the heck is this? Someone ate? Who is baking? This one, I like it better. It's a little bit bigger size. So, you cannot grow everything. You need to decide which one you want to grow. I was trying to recollect where is my third plant. Actually do not recall, so I cannot tell anything about my third. It did survive. Maybe I gave it to someone. That's possible. Now I'm asking you, can you write a comment and tell me how you decide which tomato to grow? Do you grow biggest one, you grow smallest one? Because what I learned, cherry tomatoes, they have more nutrition value compared to bigger tomatoes. That's the reason I grow only cherry tomatoes. And even black cherry tomatoes, they have even more nutrition because they have this dark coloration, which actually antioxidant. You don't eat many fruits, berries with dark color, and that's one thing you can easily grow. Just black cherry tomatoes. It is why you need to restrict grow on the tomato, because you wanna have eventually ripe tomato, not only vegetation. And that's the reason I was restricting grow here, so it will put all the energy for ripening tomato. Thanks for watching my videos. In case you never read my bio, I have over 30 years of experience in gardening. I involved in gardening since 4. My parents from countryside, and they always grow their own food, and this is how I grew up. I always ate whatever we were growing on our land. So I know a lot of people started gardening during COVID and become very popular. But a lot of people just fail in this area, and they think that I cannot do it. No, I don't believe you cannot do it. You just lack of basic knowledge about watering, sun, root system, or whatever. And sometimes it just, I think the most difficult part is protect your crop from creatures, from birds, squirrels, raccoons, you name it. It's very tough. And even a lot of products on the market, most of them do not work. Simply, they do not work. And you can spend a lot of time, a lot of money actually on buying all this stuff, protect your crop, and you still do not have crop. It's actually quite miserable when you spend like 3-4 months on growing something and you still cannot eat your tomatoes or whatever. So in any case, thanks for watching, and leave me a comment below. What content are you interested in? Because I literally have no idea what exactly people need. Because for me it's so natural. I don't have any problem to grow any something, even if it's something new for me, because every single plant will have their own unique details which you sometimes you don't know about them, but that's important actually. Thanks again. Bye.
Please subscribe, like, and share the video. Leave me a comment below and thank you for watching. Have a nice day.